Good morning, children. This is your teacher, Jerry. And before we start, let's have our mathematics class. M-E-T-H, M-E-T-H, I love math. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I love math. For our lesson for today, for this week 4, is about relationships of quadrilaterals to triangles and other quadrilaterals. At the end of our lesson, you will be able to relate triangles to quadrilaterals, relate one quadrilateral to another quadrilateral, for example, square to rhombus, and explain the relationships among quadrilaterals. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this. Let's have a review on the kinds of triangles according to sides. So let's talk about the sides of the triangle. So we have equilateral triangle. Notice that the sides are all equal. We have 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. So that's the perfect example of equilateral. And we also have the isosceles triangle. Notice that the two sides are the same and the other one is not. Example is 7 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. And we also have the Escalene triangle. Notice that the sides are different. We have 6 centimeters, another side is 9 centimeters, and the other side is 10 centimeters. We have the kinds of triangles according to angles. So let's talk about the angles, children. Do you still remember the angles? We have the right, acute, and obtuse triangle in our previous lesson. So let's have a review on the right triangle. It forms 90 degrees. How about acute triangle? It forms 70 degrees. And for obtuse triangle, it forms 110 degrees. And for the equiangular triangle, from the word equi means equal, the angles here are all the same. They are all equal. So it's known equiangular triangle. That's right. Very good, children. Let's move on to our next slide. Okay, let us have a review on the quadrilaterals. Okay, so when we say quadrilaterals, are polygons with 4 sides and 4 angles. Below are the kinds of quadrilaterals. Example number 1 is a parallelogram. Example number 2 is a square. We also have rectangle. We also have the rhombus and trapezoid. So these are all examples of quadrilaterals. Again, they have 4 sides and 4 angles. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram has 2 opposite sides that are parallel and of equal lengths. In parallelogram ABCD, the length of side AD is equals to the side of BC. Again, side AD is equal to the length of the side BC. Also, the length of side A and B is equal to the length of side BC. We write side AB equals side BC. This is known for diagonal line segment AC. The 2 triangles formed by diagonals can be named in many ways, using the letters representing the corners. The vertices are named in consecutive order, either clockwise or counterclockwise. Triangle 1. triangle ABC. Let's go back. We can't go back. Triangle ACB, triangle CBA, triangle CAB, triangle BAC, and triangle BCA. So it can be named either clockwise or counterclockwise. Triangle 2, triangle ACD, triangle ADC, triangle CAD, triangle CDA, and triangle DAC, and triangle DCA. These two triangles have equal sizes. We say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ACD. This is written as triangle ABC congruent triangle ACD. ABC is congruent to triangle ACD. So we form diagonals here, diagonal lines. There's a lot. If a rhombus or a square is divided by two diagonals, four triangles of the same size will be formed. Okay, we divided by two diagonals. How many triangles it has formed? Okay, we have four triangles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about for rhombus? We divided it by two diagonals, and boom, there are four triangles inside the rhombus. If two diagonals are drawn in a rectangle, the opposite triangles formed are equal size. We drawn diagonals in the rectangle, so two triangles are equal size. For a trapezoid, if a diagonal line is drawn connecting its two opposite corners, it is divided into two triangles of different sizes. We have different sizes here. If two diagonals are drawn, four triangles are formed with different sizes. Let's have exercise number 1. Points 1, 2. So there are 2 points here. Give two pairs of parallel sides that are equal in length. We have side W and X, and also we have side ZY. There's another one, side WZ and side X and Y. Okay, for 3, 4, 5, 6 points, there are 4 points here. 3, 4, 5, 6. Name the parallelogram in at least 4 ways. So let's see if you can do it. So we have parallelogram W, X, Y, and Z. Another parallelogram is Z, Y, X, W. You see, you can do it counterclockwise or clockwise. We have parallelogram W, Z, X, Y, and X. And we have parallelogram XYZW. Parallelogram X, W, Z, and Y. And parallelogram YZWX. Parallelogram YXWZ. And parallelogram ZWX and Y. Another exercise. Name two triangles in at least 3 ways. So this is 7, 8, 9. So for 3 points. So we have triangle W, Z, and Y. We also have W, Y, and Z. We also have triangle Z, Y, and W. For points 10, 11, 12, triangle X, Y, and W. Triangle Y, W, and X. And triangle W, X, and Y. Very good, children. Let's proceed to the next one. Exercise number 2, which describes a triangle. A, two-sided polygon. B, three-sided polygon. And letter C, four-sided polygon. Correct. The answer is letter B. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. Number 2, which describes a quadrilateral. A, four-sided polygon. B, three-sided polygon. Letter C, two-sided polygon. What's the correct answer? Excellent! That's letter A, four-sided polygon. And for number 3, what figures are formed when diagonal is drawn in a quadrilateral? What figure? Letter A, triangle. B, square. C, parallelograms. The correct answer is letter A, triangles. Very good. Next. Exercise number 4, which is true about the sides of parallelogram. A, one pair of sides are parallel and equal. 2, two pairs of sides are parallel and equal. Letter C, four sides are equal. That's right. Letter B, two pairs of sides are parallel and equal. Let's move on to number 5. If two diagonals are drawn in a rhombus or a square, which of the following will be formed? A, two triangles of the same size. Letter B, two pairs of triangles of the same size. Letter C, four triangles of the same size. Correct answer is letter C, four triangles of the same size. Good job. Number 6. Which of the following describes the sides of a square or of a rhombus? A, no sides are equal. Letter B, two sides are equal. Letter C, all sides are equal. Correct. Letter C, all sides are equal. Number 7. Which quadrilateral will have a different sizes of triangles if a diagonal is drawn connecting its opposite corners? Letter A, rectangle. Letter B, square. Letter C, trapezoid. Outstanding. Letter C is the correct answer, trapezoid. Number 8. How do a triangle and a parallelogram differ? A, they differ in the number of angles only. B, they differ in the number of sides only. And letter C, they differ in the number of sides and angles. You are correct. Letter C, they differ in the number of sides and angles. Number 9. Which quadrilateral has only one pair of parallel sides? A, parallelogram. B, trapezoid. Letter C, rhombus. Amazing! Letter B is the correct answer. Which figure cannot be a trapezoid? A. Parallelogram. B. Quadrilateral. Letter C. Polygon. That's right. Parallelogram is the answer. Which describes a quadrilateral? A. Four-sided polygon. B. Three-sided polygon. Letter C. Two-sided polygon. The correct answer is letter A. Four-sided polygon. Okay, let's answer this with a yes or a no. Number 2. Is a square a parallelogram? Yes or no? That's right. It is a yes. Number 3. Is a rectangle a parallelogram? Yes. Amazing. Is a rhombus a parallelogram? Yes. And for number 5, is a trapezoid a parallelogram? Right, that's no. No is the correct answer. That's all for our lessons in week number 4, quarter 3. If you have questions or any comments, you can type in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Teacher Jerry, ang nagsasabing maraming salamat po. See you around. See you next topic. See you in our next topic. Yes, that's right. Bye.